Back with Babylon out of black man land. Ah, this a black Ali Babylon.
Us home to Ethiopia. Send us home, I pray. Send us home to Mount Zion, the land where our God loves to be. Send us home to Ethiopia. Send us home, I pray. Send us home to Mount Zion, the land where our God loves to be. But I found the place called Mount Zion, and Ethiopia is a better place to be. Yeah, it is the land where our God loves to be. It is the land where our God loves to be.